Emma's Lost Voice, a story about speaking up Emma loved to sing. Every morning, she hummed a happy tune on her way to school, and in music class, her voice was bright and clear. But outside of music class, Emma was quiet. Too quiet. She didn't like speaking in front of people, and when she needed to ask for help, she often stayed silent. One day, Emma's teacher announced a special event. "Our class will be performing at the school assembly. Who would like to sing the solo?" Emma's heart raced. She wanted to raise her hand, but a little voice in her head whispered, "What if I mess up? What if people laugh at me?" So she said nothing. The teacher looked around the room. No one raised their hand. "I'll choose someone tomorrow," she said with a smile. At lunch, Emma sat quietly, staring at her tray. Her friend Noah, who always had something to say, noticed right away. "Emma, what's wrong?" Noah asked. She sighed. "I wanted to sing the solo, but I got too nervous. What if I make a mistake?" Noah grinned. "Emma, your voice is amazing, and mistakes happen to everyone. But if you don't try, you'll never know how great it could be." Emma hesitated. Could she really do it? That afternoon, Emma did something brave. She walked up to her teacher's desk. With a deep breath, she said, "I'd like to try the solo." Her teacher beamed. "I'm so glad, Emma. Let's practice together." The next day, Emma stood on the stage for rehearsal. Her hands felt sweaty and her heart pounded. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and began to sing. Her voice soared through the auditorium. When she finished, the room was silent for a moment, then her classmates clapped and cheered. At the school assembly, Emma sang with confidence. She didn't worry about being perfect. She just enjoyed the music. After the performance, a younger student came up to her and said, "I get nervous talking in front of people. But you were so brave. How did you do it?" Emma smiled. "I was scared too, but I didn't let fear stop me. You can do it too." Emma learned that her voice mattered. And when she chose to speak up, she didn't just help herself. She inspired others too. If you ever feel afraid to try something new, remember Emma's story. Be brave, believe in yourself, and don't be afraid to let your voice be heard.